Very good morning dear students of class 7 and welcome to today's mathematics class. So students, today we will continue with chapter number 14 and article 11.4. 11.4 is what is an inequalities. So today we will study the concept of inequality. So let us first understand what is the meaning of inequality. So by inequality we mean a mathematical statement which is related with the sign of inequality. Sign of inequality, you know, greater than this sign, it means greater than. Then the another sign, this sign is, it means less than sign. It is greater than or equal to, and the fourth sign is less than or equal to. So therefore, inequality is a mathematical sentence formed by relating two expressions to each other by the inequality signs. Inequality sign may be greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So let us take examples. Suppose we have two expressions, x and y. Let the two expressions be x and y. When x is greater than y, it is expressed as x, then the sign of greater than y. So it is x greater than y. So this box item is written as x greater than y. Now second, when x is greater than or equal to y, here x may be greater than or x may be equal to y. So it is represented as x greater than equal to sign then y. Third case, when x is less than y, it is expressed as x less than y. The sign between x and y is the sign of inequality, less than. Then if x is less than or equal to y, then it is expressed. Here x and y are related, connected with the sign less than or equal to. So last expression, the fourth one, is x less than or equal to y. Okay. Students, now we study the method of solving inequalities. The method of solving of simple inequalities is almost same as that of solving the linear equations by operating on both sides same number. As we did in the case of equation, we operate on the both side of an equation by the same number or by shifting the terms from left hand side to right hand side to isolate the value of variable. So let us consider one example. Suppose we have to solve 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 15. So here the inequality, it means first of all the meaning of solution is to find those values of x which when substituted here 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 15, so that this inequality is satisfied. So here first we shift 3 to the right hand side. So it is 2x less than or equal to 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. Then we divide with 2. So x less than or equal to 12 over 2. So x is less than or equal to 6. So the meaning of solution here is the set of all numbers less than or equal to 6. So it means when we substitute any value which is less than or equal to 6, the value of x. If we substitute any value of x which is less than or equal to 6 in the given inequality, it is satisfied. So in this way we can find the solution of inequalities. Further, we can represent the solution on the number line. You know the number line? Number line is a line where all the numbers, any real number, any natural number, counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 or any fractional number 1 by 2, 3 by 4 or any irrational number under root 3, these can be represented. So the solution of inequality is not a single value, it is the set of all values which lies on one side of that number. So the we can represent the solution on number line. So in order to represent solution on number line, we use the following rules. The first rule is when x is greater than a or x is less than a, we can draw an open circle on a and highlight the number line to the right or the left side respectively. When it is the case of x greater than a, we highlight the right side, and when it is the case of x less than a, we highlight the left side. So let us take one example of each. X greater than 1. So we put a circle on 1. We put a circle at 1 on number line, and here the given case is x greater than 1. So we highlight the portion on the right side of 1. Similarly, for x less than 1, we put a circle on 1 and then highlight the portion which is left to the 1. In order to represent the inequalities greater than equal to or less than equal to, that is x greater than or equal to a, x less than or equal to a, where a is any number, we draw a closed circle at a and then highlight the number line to the right or left respectively. For example, when x is greater than or equal to 1, so we draw a circle which is closed. We shade that circle and highlight the portion which is right to 1, because on the right side all the numbers which are greater than 1 lies. So x greater than equal to 1 can be represented on number line by drawing a dark circle at 1 and highlighting the portion which is right to 1. And for x less than or equal to 1, we can draw a dark circle or a closed circle at 1 and then highlight the portion which is left to 1. Left to 1 means the numbers which are less than 1. So for greater than, we can draw the portion right side of that number, because on the right side the number greater than that particular number exists, and for less than we can draw or we can highlight the portion which is left to that number. And for simple sign greater than or less than, we draw an open circle, and when there is a sign of equal to is there, we draw a dark circle or a closed circle. Now let us solve a few problems from exercise 11.4. First we solve question number 3, first part, and the first part is solve inequality 2x less than 10. So first we shift 2 to the right hand side, so it means x less than 10, 10 by 2. X less than 10 by 2 means x less than 5. So therefore the solution set consists of all numbers less than 5. Means if we substitute any number which is less than 5 to the given inequality, it is satisfied. And we can draw the solution on number line also. Here x is less than 5. So we draw an open circle at 5. Open circle because there is no sign of equality. It is simply x less than 5. So we draw an open circle at 5 and then we highlight the portion which is left to 5, because the answer is x less than 5. So it means the numbers which are less than 5. So it means the portion left to 5 we highlight, and in this way we can represent the solution on number line. Now we consider the fourth part of third question. In fourth part of third question, the inequality is x minus 3 greater than or equal to 10. So first we shift 3 to the right hand side. So it becomes x greater than or equal to 10 plus 3. And 10 plus 3 is 13. So answer is x greater than or equal to 13. It means all those numbers which are greater than or 13 itself satisfies the given inequality. So the solution set consists of all numbers greater than or equal to 13. So here again first we draw a number line. Here we mention number up to 15 on positive side and a few number 1 and 2 on negative side, minus 1, minus 2, because we have to start from 13. Now here it is x greater than or equal to 13. So we draw a dark circle at 13 and then it is the sign of greater than equal to. So it means we highlight the portion on the right side of the 15. And as you know that number line, the arrows at the end of any number line represent that it is not a segment, it can go up to any number. The ends are not fixed. It may be extended up to any number, any large number on positive side and any large number on negative side we can mention, we can draw. Now let us discuss example number 11. Here the statement is solve the given inequalities and draw the solution on a number line. So already they are simple linear inequality. The first part is x less than 4. So we know in order to represent this solution on number line, we draw an open circle at 4 and highlight the portion on the left of 4. X less than or equal to 2, second part. Here we draw a dark circle at 2 because here is the sign of equal to also in the inequality, and highlight the portion left to 2. Then in third part, x greater than or equal to 3, we draw a dark circle at 3 and then highlight the portion right to 3. Then x greater than 2, an open circle at 2 and then highlight the portion right to 2. In the same way, you can solve question number first of exercise 11.4, exactly similar to the example number 11. And in question number 2 of exercise 11.4, we have to mention the inequality which represent the given number line. So here you can see they have put a dark circle at 7 and highlight the portion left to 7. So dark circle at 7 means there is a sign of equality and left side means less than. So the inequality is x less than or equal to 7. In second part, dark circle at 5 and portion highlighted it right side of 5. So it is x greater than or equal to 5. Similarly, we can solve third and fourth part. So in this way, you can solve all the questions, all the parts of question number 1, 2, and we already explained the question number first part and the fourth part. So in this way you can solve the other parts of question number 3 and draw the solution on number line also. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this AV.